Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com, this official website, so you can download the driver. After that, this is search icon. Just click on this icon, search, and then enter the model number of graphic card. GeForce RTX 5070 Ti AERO OC16G. After that, search your the graphic card on this website. Then click on the product, and then click on this name of the title, and then click on it. Then click on support. And select your operating system, Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations process same, driver also same, and this is driver. And click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. And click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. It will take 4 to 5 minutes, depend over your internet. After that completed, then click on three dot and click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see NVIDIA package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that also completed driver, then restart your system.